This bird's nest is actually a reimagined leche flan. The nest of this reimagined leche flan is made of cotton candy, the eggshell I'm not sure, possibly icing, it's quite sweet, and the yolk is kefir custard. Leche flan is a traditional Filipino dessert that's composed of a very soft custard, usually even softer than Western style ones. Proper Filipino leche flan is very sweet and it's not complete without sugar syrup, which makes it doubly sweeter. For reference, this is a photograph of traditional Filipino leche flan dripping with sugar syrup. I had this at Habanero Kitchen in Cubao X. I did enjoy this novelty leche flan, though I must say I prefer the traditional one, but I still gotta give props to their creativity for thinking this up. Hope you enjoyed this little clip. See you next video.